Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Alan Gadgets. Today I'm going to share with you some changes that is going to happen to this channel. So my earlier subscribers, they have known this channel to be Gadgets and Toys. This is supposed to be a one-stop channel and platform to showcase and share all my different hobbies. From video gaming on PC desktop.
Go in. For the electric. Nice.
To PlayStation gaming.
Execute.
Big one wants a piece of you, Aloy.
PlayStation VR, which is one of the main focus of my channel at one point. To my Gundam Gunpla building, customized mode on top of the 3 standard cycles. And various Lego sets that I have. The 2019 The Rise of Skywalker Millennium Falcon Lego sets. My use of camera photography, and at one point the aperture will start to open up. The time-lapse movie item. One less item when you go out for a shoot. Outdoor activities like cycling and climbing.
I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out.
Traveling overseas, especially to Japan.
Is that mega?
No, not mega. All the way to some miscellaneous hobby like my Darth Vader helmet and lightsabers. And this pair pretty well with my Makoto lightsaber. So bringing all those things to one channel has resulted in a very messy channel with messy content, and the directions are all over the place. As a result, it's really hurting my viewership and subscription rate. So moving forward, I'm going to just focus on 2 main topics and splitting them into 2 different channels. So for this channel, as the name implied, it's going to focus mainly on gadgets. Most of the gadgets will be camera related and how I use them to capture video and photo. There will be also gadgets that I use in my travel and my outdoor activity. It will come in the form of reviews, tips, or know-how and what I like and dislike about the gadgets that I use. My new other channel called The Outdoor Extrovert is going to be mainly on the outdoor activity that I enjoy doing and the traveling that I do. So if you're interested in outdoor and traveling video, do check out this link, alan.sg/outdoor. Over at the new channel, I'll be working on the long overdue video of my Iceland trip that I went in April. If you are interested in going to Iceland, this is a video you must watch out and not to miss. Followed by 2 climbing trips in Malaysia, a photography trip to Chiang Mai, Thailand that is focusing on sunset, sunrise and Milky Way photography. If you're interested in this video, do go over to my new channel, subscribe and click on the bell button to watch out for them. And from this channel, I'll be coming out contents like the Insta360 X3 that I brought to my Thailand trip instead of a GoPro. I usually use a GoPro Hero to document and vlog my trip, but this time I choose to use the Insta360 X3 instead of a GoPro Hero to see what kind of a video, what kind of flexibility I can get out of a 360 camera. Followed by accessories that I also use on this trip and my review on them. At the end of the day, what I want to do is to share my traveling and outdoor activities and on the gadget that I use to capture them. So that's what I want to talk about today on the changes to this channel. Hope that you could continue to support my channel and the new one too. And I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.